Alrighty, Sharp Customs, man. The next day, I got the Coupe. I got the wild Coupe. Kind of laid up. I don't have the fenders on it, but we're gonna take it for a little blast, just so you can see it. And it's after 7 p.m. here in southern Ontario, so we're kind of breaking bylaw, but we kind of don't give a rat's potato. We're just gonna fire it up. I kind of missed the I was working on it, man. I was thrashing on it. I was working, get this, I was working on the Chevy pickup to bring it out tonight, and then I was gonna do this tomorrow, and I had a bad spark plug in the engine in that one, so I pulled it over and pulled it over and pulled it over, broke the ripper cord, and then I was trying to turn it over with my drill just to get it to fire, and I broke the bolt that holds the flywheel. But I think I can MacGyver something to keep that in place. You know, the flywheel is on a taper. You know, the rest of the bolt is stuck in the crankshaft. Don't think I can get it out. Probably not even gonna try to get it out. But turned out, yeah, freaking spark plug, man. Changed the spark plug, fired right up. But in the process of figuring all that stuff out, the clutch was burned right out. It was steel on steel. So, gonna order a new clutch for that, and you'll see that quarter scale Chevy pickup. But tonight we're gonna run this. We're in a different location. We couldn't do the parking lot, the church parking lot, and the playground is, it's being used. So we come over to the next place. The next place a little further down. Yeah, I carried this thing, man. You know, it's 30 pounds, but we're gonna run it, and yeah, we'll run it for, you know, a few minutes, and we'll see how it performs. We might lose some pieces. This front section, it's kind of hot glued on. I didn't even bring a nut to secure the back, but this has got that crazy motor in it, and I say we fire it up and we run it. And this asphalt here, it's a little coarse, maybe for doing, you know, burnouts and donuts and stuff like that, but you know me. I want to give you guys the best that I can give you. Let's fire it up. Let's just do it. Got steering, got my throttle, got my brake. Let's fire it up. I can get my hand in this one. Not that loud, eh? Got a little push in the front end. See that? Got a little push on that steering. Kind of expected that though with the wide front tires. Go in the other direction. up. That's why the front end's bouncing a wee bit. Get that closer. Whoa! We're in the rhubarb. You didn't want to turn. I love that smell of two-stroke. Slow her down a bit. There's a little push going on in the front end. Oh, I can see the body. I gotta readjust the body. Oh, I should have brought a nut. Have happened. Okay, we're getting a little carried away here. We're getting a little crazy. Kind of don't want to destroy my. I would like, if I could keep this. I just made this. I don't really want to destroy it. If I could get it back, kind of back into place. I don't have to get it back into place. You know why? Because, well, that'll do. That'll do if it'll stay there. Oh, check that out. See what happened? Look at that. Spark plug. Spark plug come off. I'm gonna rip this off. I don't want to wreck it. guess that's it for the Sharp Customs burning out this this crazy thing. But you get to see it. You get to see it. Yeah, it's pretty rocky here. We ran over some stuff and we blew the body off of it. But hey, that's what I build these things for. Now, that little bit of push in the front end, probably because we're running the wides, and I might not have quite enough angle on that front straight axle. So basically, the reason I can't run it anymore is because the throttle, what we lost is a little piece of wire that goes over to the servo. You can see the servo's still moving right there. There's the wire. It's hot down there, but there's the little wire, and I had it through that little hole with a locking collar on it. Obviously, we lost the locking collar. Not a big deal. They're just tiny little things. But yeah, so I had no throttle. Steering's still good. We got, you know, the shocks not being hooked. So if I lift the front of it, you'll see that it lifts way off the I-beam. But yeah, the angle of the I-beam probably needs to be, you know, the caster needs to be tipped back a little bit more. I'm thinking that's the push, what I call the push. You know, when you saw it coming through the corners and it was kind of pushing, and we're running it in a pretty limited space here. But there you go, man. You get to see it. You get to see it. It's not actually, this one is, with that little muffler thingy I got on there, it's actually not that loud till you get on it. I wish there was some more dirt here and not so many rocks. But hey, we got some donuts in. We definitely got some donuts in. And yeah, we're gonna get the hell out of here before you know, these residents over here call the cops on us. But we're gonna head back over to HQ, you know, Sharp Custom headquarters. But there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. We're gonna do another one tomorrow, believe it or not. That electric GT40 that you saw, I'm hoping, at least that's the plan, we're gonna do some video on that. Maybe I'll fix this one up, or you know what I'm thinking is I'm gonna get my GT40, I'm gonna pull it off the shelf, and maybe we'll bring it out with the electric one. So there you have it, man. Sharp Customs, man, you know the routine. Thank you for all your comments. I love you all. On to the next.